Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on sniper tuning software. This is the laptop tuning software. You need the box and to install. The box will look like this. As you can see, here's the tuning box. And this plugs into your OBD2 port, and that allows you to put your tune on the PCM, but it also plugs into your computer. Now, you do not have to have it plugged into your computer while you're tuning to the thing. The only reason you would plug into your computer while you were hooked up to the car would be to data log. Now we're going to go over the basic functions, and first off we're going to start with a multi-loader utility here. Open it up. It's going to access the data that's on this box. You see it'll pop up here. You'll have update firmware, get vehicle info, write interface, read interface. We'll go over what they do. You have 7 slots on the box. That's to hold 6 tunes, 1 stock. So as you can see, I have 410s firm shift, 4.6 Pats, race, 410 shift point, and 2 stock tunes. One is 2 tunes from a computer, hence why I have used bullets, but you know, that's the thing. So we're gonna go and select file position 3. Okay, we're gonna read interface. This is a clean copy, so I really don't have. I have 1 tune that I was messing around with before, and it's you're gonna need this code right here, because that is your computer code, and it is necessary to have that. But we're gonna go ahead and read interface. It's gonna ask me where to save it, and we're gonna go race. And we're going to save it. And it's going to transfer file. And it's done. And now you'll exit out of the multi-loader. Now I'm showing you how to mess with a tune. I need to mess with my tunes since I now have cams, but why am I opening that one up? You'll go down here to Special Forces Gas, and assuming you've already activated your product and everything, you go ahead and you go up here and you'll say load a save tuning file. Normally you would start a new tuning file, but we're going to load a saved, and we're going to back up one. We're going to go to race. Now it wants a text file. You need to open it up to all files, and you need to click race PCM. It'll give you the error, but it'll still open up the program anyway. And it was what? I'm gonna have to open it up again because I forgot the one thing that I'm supposed to remember. Let this load up and then I'll continue. JZP4. JZP4. Okay, and here we go. Stock, automatic compression ratio. Huh. That's weird. We go next. And then we'll go field system. Set for return style. You'll set your injector size, which should be stock. I'm going to go ahead and set it at 19 pounds. Stock fuel pump. Now we want 93 octane. You're going to leave the returnless pressure because it's set for return style. Stock, stock, stock. stock with cold air is what you're going to do for that one, and it should still be set at 19 pounds. Now you can get, once you get a different math housing, you'll have to change that. Alright, and then we'll go to the next. Did I double tap? No, just look like I did. Now I have long tubes, so you go ahead and just select long tubes. You'll make sure you select H pipe or X pipe without converters, even though I don't have anything. You'll go rear O2's present, no, and I do not have a cat back installed, so we're gonna go ahead and say no. And this is your shift settings. You'll go and you be like 1, 2, I like mild, 2, 3, I like firm, and 3, 4, I like firm. Now race, this is the race tune, yes, but it shifts a lot better in firm. It's not as jerky. You'll go rev limiter. I'm going to set so the rev limiter is currently set at 58, so we're going to go ahead and set it at 800, and that'll give me 67. Yes, I know. Make sure you agree to that. Don't need a speed limiter, so go ahead and turn that off. Turn off traction control, turn off EGR because I have no EGR. Idle speed. You can't lower your idle speed. Alright, you can only raise it. It's okay. Go ahead and set the tire size, which is 26 inches. Gear ratio is 410. Passive anti-theft, I'll leave that on. Just leave those stock. And you'll go, this is what you do for your air fuel ratios and your RPM modifier. This will change it. Low RPMs like 1 to 2, 1000 to 3000. Mid is like 3 to 4, and then high is like 4 to 6 or something like that. And then you have your spark and the degrees, and you change all that. So we go in end. I'm gonna choose 4.6. Alright, and you'll save. Well, that may have canceled out, but I should be able to come up and go. It might have saved it. We'll find out. Open the multi-loader. Let's go to 4. Right interface. Huh. Must not have saved it. But that's just because this is a clean copy and I don't have the stock tune on it. But that's all for this video. Like and subscribe, and hopefully this helps you all out. Remember, be